In Lesson 5, we'll be talking about numbers in Python, including data types and operators. In Python, there are two basic numeric data types, integers and floats. Let's do a basic comparison of these data. Types. Integers have no decimal point. You can see some examples here. -7, 5, 20. Floats, on the other hand, have a decimal point and can be written as a fraction. You can see some examples here, 2.5, 0.0001, 1/2, and 10/5. Note that Python handles these fractions as numbers with decimal points. So if you enter 1/2 into Python, it will be handled as 0.5. Now let's talk about operators in Python. There is the operator for addition, which is the plus symbol. For subtraction, the minus symbol is used. For multiplication, the star symbol is used. And finally, for division, the / is used. Here's an example of variables being changed with numbers. For example, we have the variable chairs, which is equal to 4. On the second line, we add 1 to chairs and set that to the value of chairs itself. Then we print chairs, so now it should be chairs plus 1. Chairs was originally 4, so now it should be 5. Note the second line. It can be much more efficient. The second line here can be written much smaller. It can be written as plus equals 1. This is an efficient and clean way of writing it, and it offers the same answer. You can also do this with other operators, including subtraction, multiplication, division. Simply put it in this format. Now let's talk about the modulus operator. Here, the modulus operator is used. 10% 3. The modulus operator can be thought of as a remainder operator. It outputs the remainder of the division. Here, we know that 3 goes into 10 3 times and leaves a remainder of 1. So the answer will be 1. Modulus simply outputs the remainder of the division. Now let's talk about the exponent operator. The exponent operator is written as 2 star symbols. Here, we do 2 to the power of 5, which gives us 32. And that's Lesson 5, Numbers in Python. Thanks for watching.